Here's the secret to a clean mattress. Stains and dirt disappear immediately, and dust mites, mold, and fungi are eliminated. Mattress companies don't want you to know about this. With this simple trick, your mattress will last for years. You'll need a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. Baking soda will be responsible for eliminating germs and bacteria. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Grab some fabric softener and add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix everything well. Finally, add water and mix it again. Dip a clean towel or cloth into the mixture. Wring out any excess liquid so the towel is damp but not soaked. Lay the towel on the mattress. Place an iron, wrapped in the towel, on top of the mixture. Iron the mattress with the towel-covered iron. There's no need to dry the mattress in the sun. Ironing the mixture will dry it instantly. Now your mattress is clean, dry, fresh, and free from bacteria. This is the secret hotels use to keep their mattresses perfectly clean. Since I discovered this trick, my mattress has stayed spotless, disinfected, and smelling fresh. In a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's well known for its disinfecting and antibacterial properties, removing microbes while neutralizing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. This helps dissolve dirt and makes cleaning more effective. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt has antibacterial and antifungal properties, absorbs moisture, and eliminates bad smells. The next ingredient is baking soda, a natural deodorizer that absorbs moisture while gently cleaning and refreshing. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water and mix well. Take a clean towel, soak it in the mixture, and squeeze out the excess liquid. Place the slightly damp towel on the mattress. Wrap a hairdryer with the towel and use it only on low power, always making sure the fabric is damp, not wet. This method deeply cleans the mattress, removes bacteria, freshens it up, and restores a pleasant scent. Give this simple trick a try. This natural spray will clean your mattress and repel dust mites in just 1 minute. Don't waste money on chemical cleaning. This method works much better. Take a spray bottle and drop in 3 sticks of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and its strong scent drives away insects and dust mites. Plus, it leaves a warm, spicy aroma that lingers in fabrics. In a tall container, pour about 3 ounces of alcohol. Alcohol disinfects, acts as an antiseptic, and helps dissolve the cinnamon compounds so they work more effectively. The next ingredient is vinegar. Vinegar neutralizes odors, has antibacterial effects, and creates an environment dust mites can't stand. Add about 4 ounces of vinegar. Then pour in 1 cup of water and transfer everything into the bottle with the cinnamon. Shake well so the ingredients blend together. Now you can spray your mattress, especially in the corners where dust mites usually gather. This spray also works great on couches, armchairs, and even in the car. By combining these ingredients, you create a natural protective barrier that ensures not only cleanliness, but also long-lasting freshness in your home. Use it regularly, and your sleep will become healthier and more comfortable. Sprinkle this powder on your mattress, and it will feel fresh again. Mattresses are a hotspot for dust mites and dead skin cells, making regular cleaning essential. Start by removing the bedding and sheets. Sprinkle the surface of your mattress with this white powder. It's a simple yet effective way to remove bacteria, dust mites, and unpleasant odors. I'll reveal the product in a moment. You probably already have it at home. Rub the powder into the mattress fabric using your hands, focusing on areas with yellow stains. Let the product sit for at least an hour. During this time, it absorbs moisture, oils, and other dirt. After an hour, vacuum the mattress thoroughly to remove all residue. Your mattress will look like new, fresh, clean, and odor-free. The secret ingredient? Baking soda. This natural powder gently removes dirt, neutralizes bacteria and dust mites, and absorbs moisture and odors. It's an easy, eco-friendly method that saves you money on expensive cleaning products or professional services. With this one product, your mattress will feel like new again. Over time, dust mites, bacteria, and unpleasant odors build up in your mattress. Here's how to clean your mattress at home. Let me know where you're watching from. Prepare a large bowl and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt helps neutralize odors, cleans effectively, and also limits the growth of bacteria and dust mites. Now it's time for fabric softener. It gives a fresh scent and makes the material smell clean, helping the mattress stay fresh longer. Measure 1 cap and add it to the salt. Then pour in warm boiled water and mix everything thoroughly. This is a simple homemade mattress cleaner. Take a microfiber cloth that picks up dirt well and doesn't damage the fabric. Soak it in the solution and squeeze out excess water. Lay the cloth on the mattress, place a pot lid in the center, fold the corners inward, and start cleaning the surface using movements across the entire mattress. This is an effective way to clean a mattress without washing it. It helps remove dirt and dust while refreshing the material. Your mattress will smell fresh and look like new. Believe me, your duvet will fit in the washing machine. You're probably wondering how to wash a large duvet in a washing machine. The process isn't difficult at all. And most importantly, duvets can be machine washed. Let me show you how. Start by laying your duvet flat on the floor, fold it in half along its longer sides, then fold each side toward the center, just like I'm doing. Finally, starting from one end, fold it like an accordion. This method will ensure your duvet fits easily in the washing machine. It's recommended to wash duvets every 6 months, while allergy sufferers should do so every 3 months. My grandmother always placed chestnuts under the bed. As a child, I used to laugh at this habit, but today I practice it myself. Chestnuts have been considered extraordinary gifts of nature for centuries. Tradition attributes to them the power to attract money, prosperity, and happiness, while repelling negative energy. It was also believed they could protect against curses and misfortune in the home. What's more, people now often say that chestnuts absorb harmful electromagnetic radiation, which in our modern world, full of electronic devices, has a new relevance. This autumn symbol, which most of us associate only with childhood games, holds a rich tradition of beliefs and practices. Chestnuts are said to not only support well-being, such as helping with insomnia and relieving tension, but also to carry protective and magical powers. That's why many people still keep them at home in autumn, under the bed, in their pocket, or in a bag, believing they bring peace, balance, and good energy. Put black pepper under your bed. It might sound like it doesn't make any sense, but it actually makes a lot of sense. This is a really clever trick that can solve many of your problems. All you need is 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Toss the pepper into a grinder and grind it up. Freshly ground pepper from a grinder has a better aroma than pre-ground pepper you buy at the store. Now, sprinkle the pepper around the windowsills, door frames, and even on your table. But the most important place to focus on is your bed. For a long-lasting effect, take some aluminum foil, place the pepper in the foil, fold it up, and then use a toothpick to poke holes in the packet. This way, the aroma will seep out through the holes, and you'll avoid making a mess. Place this packet under your bed. It also works perfectly in your wardrobe. In a moment, I'll explain why. Another effective method is to mix the pepper with warm water. Take a jug of warm water and add the pepper. Let it sit for 24 hours. Then strain the mixture through a filter. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, here's what it's for. Black pepper has a strong aroma that repels all sorts of insects like mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bed bugs, and many others. Additionally, if the neighbor's cat does its business in your garden, you can spray the area with this pepper water solution. This mixture also deters mice and rats. As you can see, pepper has many uses beyond the kitchen.